Hello students, from now onwards we start with the new unit on functions. In this presentation we will try to understand some basics of the functions. What is the functions, syntax of the function and why we use the function. Let's start. First let's try to understand definition of the function. Function is basically a set of statements that takes inputs, performs some computation and produces output. That means function is a block of code that performs particular task. The syntax of the function is return type, function name, in the parentheses arguments. Here return type indicates type of the output returned by the function. Function name is the name of the function which should satisfy some identifier rules. Arguments indicates the inputs provided to the function. It is not compulsory to provide the arguments. As return type indicates type of the output, output type could be of integer type, float type, character type, and so on. After understanding the syntax of the function, let's understand why we need the functions. There are two important reasons of why we are using functions. First one, reusability. Once the function is defined, it can be reused over and over again. You can reuse the function again and again in your code. It is once defined and you can reuse it. Second is abstraction. If you are just using the function in your program, then you do not have to worry about how it works inside. That means you can reuse the scanf, printf functions multiple times without defining its functionality again and again. It also provides the abstraction. That means you do not have to worry about how it works. You can simply use in your code. Thus, functions satisfy both the properties, that is reusability and abstraction. Now let's demonstrate the use of the function written in C program. As you can see here, I want to print one message on output screen using the function. As you can see here, I write one function print message which contains one printf statement. It will print message inside the user defined function. Here printf message function does not return any output and print message function does not contain any arguments. I call this function from the main. Suppose I want to display same message again, then I will simply call the same function again. Let's compile it. So you can see here the printf message will print inside the user defined function. So this is known as function call. If I want to print the same message again, then simply I will write here print message call. Let's run it. As you can see here, 2 times message is printed. Here you can see the demonstration of reusability. That is, no requirement to write printf statement once again. What you need to do is just simply call the function once again. This is it for now. Thank you.